You can now use the myAudi app in Apple CarPlay to access important settings in your Audi without having to leave Apple CarPlay. To use myAudi in Apple CarPlay, you need the myAudi app and an active myAudi account. In some vehicles, an additional car-to-phone connection is required. To set it up, open the settings on the MMI and select Connections. Activate Bluetooth and then select Car-to-Phone. Select Establish New Connection and then scan the QR code with the myAudi app on your smartphone. Press All Functions followed by Vehicle Connection in the app. Press Pair Vehicle and then Scan QR Code. Then scan the QR code shown on the MMI display. Grant access to myAudi on the MMI display. Car to phone is now set up. Select Apple CarPlay in the app menu. Two Audi icons will be shown. Select Audi to leave Apple CarPlay. Select myAudi to open myAudi in Apple CarPlay. myAudi in Apple CarPlay offers a range of practical functions that is being expanded continuously.